Okay, no.
Now to open the present from Simona.
Wait, is it? Got an announcement. Help her put that away.
Is that a sword or something?
Go ahead, let her open.
You're opening my present.
It's okay, he's helping.
He's helping.
Hold it, pick up one. Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh,
Oh, wait.
wow! Summer dress.
And it's blue.
Stand up, Casey.
My favorite color.
Yeah.
I can wear this to the pool or something.
And Hawaii. You can wear that in Hawaii.
Awesome. What do you
Yeah, what do you say?
Thank you. It's my favorite color and it's so cute.
Oh, how
I bet it's comfortable.
Yeah. I like the fabric.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Simona. We love you.
I think we'll see you in Hawaii.
Yeah, before that too, but looking forward to going to Hawaii with you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.